Sometimes people ask me, what do I get if I pay the $149? Here's the deal. The $149 is fully refundable and gives you two things. First is to learn more about the business. You get videos that show exactly how the system works, how you can make money, and all the different ways you can get started. This is your chance to really check it out if this is for you or not. Second is the complete tools and support. If you choose to start your business, you will get your own website, step-by-step video lessons, an automated system to help you sell, coaching and mentorship just for you, a huge community of 266,000 plus people to help and cheer you on. After you watch everything, you can book a call to ask questions and figure out your next step. If it's not for you, just ask for a refund before the call. And no worries, okay? So it's really that simple. Pay your $149, check it out, and see for yourself. You might get excited like I did when I started this business. Thank you for watching. Bye!